It's me, Mario. Game over.
Game ain't never over, no, not for me. I'ma always freestyle on these beats. Bomb beats, yep, I eat them so cold. Freestyle, yep, that's all I do, though. Blowing on this dro, cause I gotta get high, though. Up in the sky, yep, I want my brain gone. Up in the sky I go. Up in the sky I float. Up, my brain so high, though. Ooh, I can feel my eyes low. Blowing on that bomb that I'm always on. Having so much fun, walking on this earth. Earth's so cold, but you know what? I'm still happy though. Blowing on it cold. Blowing on it cold. Freestyle cold. No matter what I go through in my life, cause I'm just gold. On my hat, so clean though. In my chest, yep, so clean though. My rim so clean though. So you know.
Praise love, y'all. Sitting here, waxing this damn car, getting all the oxidation off of it. This right here, I did with a different product. It's just too much work. See, it's better if you do it by hand, but it came out a little. Had a little shine. Brought the paint. Felt pretty good. Better than it was, I'll tell you that. It was all dull like everything else. But now this side, this side came out good. Real good. When I say good, took a little work though, but not like the other side. You can see the difference right there. And that's turtle wax. That's the other stuff I use over there, and this the other stuff. I did the scoop again. That mug is shiny. You can see all the crystals in the paint again. But yeah, when I get through, it's gonna be blinging. I'm looking for some 18, some 19-inch rims, 4 lugs universal. They're hard to find. That's actually gonna fit this Mercury Cougar, Ford Mercury Cougar. But yeah, that shit is shining. Bling bling. Tell the difference right there. Big difference. Yeah. Once I get it all back down to the flake showing, I'm gonna put a nice ass polish. And these rims right here, I like these rims, but I just want some bigger ones. That's how the back look. Whole car's like that. But yeah, it's gonna come together though. I'm gonna be back shining. Some nice ass low profile 19 4 lug universal. Went and looked at some, but they was 4 lug universal, but they just wouldn't fit. These rims, I just want some bigger rims. Rose love, y'all. Keep your head up. Don't let the bullshit bring you down. Rose love, y'all. Worldwide. Been polishing my car up. This mug was so oxidized, so bad. Still gotta put a couple more coats of rubbing compound on it. Shoot. Still looking for some rims. Yeah. And rubber compound on it. Got that mug blinging. Still gotta throw wax on it when I finish. Probably do a little touch-ups if they got the same color. I'm sure they do. But all those that seen this car before I actually put that shine on it,
No matter what
You know what it look like. I ain't even touched this side yet.
Hope you get it in your brain. I'ma say it
You
to
can
the
see the
end
difference
of
up
my
to the
day.
top.
My day no matter though.
The side I haven't
always
touched.
be here freestyling though. I'ma always be here doing me like I do when
Dull
I'm
as I don't know
on
what.
these
Just
streets.
like the top. I haven't
Riding
touched
down
that
the
either.
street looking clean. Car so low, you know what I mean. 18s looking so
touched this
clean.
side yet.
Rose love blowing on that green. Yep, that Cali green. What did they know? They know I blow that dro. What do they know? They know I love that flow. But do they know I got that love for the worldwide? Yup, people worldwide. Yup, it's not a surprise. Yup, they know that too. Sometimes they hate it though. Yup, they get jealous cause I love worldwide though. I don't know why though. Even love them more though. But you know what? My heart is big, so I go.
Yeah, once I get through, it's all gonna be like that.
Me. Always do me. Always be you. Always do
Spent
you.
a lot of time on the bunker.
No matter though. No matter though. DJ Payne, bro. Yup, this beat is bomb.
I'm trying to get that back.
Yup, I eat these beats strong.
On the whole car.
Always do what I do. Do like I keep it true. Yup, freestyle. Yup, that's
Shit, I
true.
still gotta do the top.
Always keep my head up. Sometimes it's down, but I lift it up and
Started
say,
right
fuck
there.
it, what? Rest my shoulders
I didn't
off.
put it in
I'm
enough.
going strong. Two-stepping up, blowing
Oh,
on
that's
that
gotta come
strong.
off.
Here, take a puff, feel it
Yeah,
so cold.
like that
Yup, your
shine.
lungs like
You know when I
getting
get these
tight, wanna
19 or
choke.
20s?
Don't choke though, don't choke though. 'Cause you
19
gon'
or
be high
20s?
like you choking on that bomb though. Cold.
Four lugs though.
Everywhere, everybody
Hard for me to
love.
find 4 lugs, man. Like, wow, y'all.
Blowing up in the air.
Anybody
Say,
out
Rose
there
love,
know
Rose
where some
love
big
is
4 lug
steady
rims
up,
are
no
with some
matter
tires?
though. I'm not
Hit
gonna
me
worry
up.
about the haters, though.
I'm looking for
I'ma
'em.
keep doing me,
For a
doing
Ford.
me cold. I'ma
Ford Mercury
always
Coupe.
blow, eat these beats cold.
Growers
Blowing
love,
on
y'all.
that bro, yup, that bomb,
It's my
though.
3rd video. I haven't
Only
uploaded
good,
none of them
yo.
yet.
Only
But
bomb,
once
yo.
you hear this one, those are already uploaded.
Freestyle on these beats everywhere I go.
But, yeah.
iPhone in my hand, cold.
Still got one more
Checks, Rose love.
coat to put on it.
If you found a bag,
Top
and
is
opened
nice.
it up, and it had shit in it, would you grab that shit?
Sides is blinging.
Or would you
Windows
drop
still
the
dirty.
bag? That's the same.
Blinging.
Somebody else got some bullshit going. You jump in it.
Ooh.
You reaching in that bag, pulling up that bullshit.
Got little chips everywhere, but shit.
If you find the bag, would you open
I
it
waxed
up?
the
If it
shit
had shit in
out
it,
of this
would you
damn
grab
car.
it like what? That's the same thing you do when somebody else
All
in the
by
dough.
hand,
Then you
too.
jump in the dough, you jumping in that bullshit though. And then you complain about what happened though. That's some cold
All
shit,
by
you
hand.
bullshit and love, yo. Keep going, that's why I say it. 'Cause when you jump in somebody else bullshit, you got it too. You gon' smell
Hope all
that.
is good out
You
there,
gon'
everybody.
smell raw. That
With
shit gon' be
everybody.
in your hand like Stronghold.
Hope y'all blowing on that bomb though.
If it's bullshit, yup,
Like I said, I still got
you don't need it though. They don't need it though. We don't need
Probably
it
do
though.
2 more
What's
coats.
worldwide? Why? I don't want it though. So I brush my shoulders off. Yup, that bullshit not on me though. Just let it go.
But yeah. Bling
You
bling.
walking down the street,
Whole car
you see a
shining.
bag, and you open it up.
Gotta do a little
and it's
touch up
shit.
right there and right there.
You grab that shit.
Oh, that's
That's the
dust.
same thing. Let's get to somebody else's shit.
Dust comes fast around here where I'm at.
You know what I'm saying? Shit stinks.
But yeah.
Step in it. Just keep on going. Clean your shoes though.
Gotta get those rims, 4 lugs. Need some 19.
Shit not on me though. I don't want
Rose
that
love.
bullshit, though. So I just keep on walking past
Bling,
the
bling.
bullshit, though. I don't want that bullshit though. Bullshit not on me.
I'm
though.
gonna redo
If
this.
the bullshit on me, though, yep, I push
Go
it.
to the inside, take it out. Probably do it black.
Stepping, though, going cold. Smile
Put a
on
black
my
one up in
face,
there.
So I try to keep it dull.
Black screen.
Trying to stay happy day like I do.
Gotta figure out how to
every
shine this
night,
back
yeah,
up.
it's okay. I'm here to stay.
Even though I know I don't shine,
Blowing on that
I was doing a little
blood in the
thinking.
air now. Yep, it's hot, it's looking so
painting this back
good.
chrome and then
It's
putting the
gonna
black
be a
stripes
hot
on the
day.
inside.
Have a good day. Blowing on that
Think
hay
that'd be
every
tight.
day. Hey, hey, hey.
The outer part
Rose
chrome,
love, it is.
and then all the
Rose
chrome
love,
stripping
who?
in the
Rose
chrome.
love, I do. Blow on the true. I try to
This
do.
have this black.
I don't want the
Shit, even
bullshit
green.
on
Green
me,
is probably
though.
even
So
look
I
tight.
go
Metallic
out,
green.
just go on my
But
way
however
out.
it go, it's gonna be
Way
pimp.
by.
Shine like
Way
it's
by
diamond.
to the bullshit, though.
Rose love, y'all. Don't let the bullshit bring you down.
I
Rose.
went high to the bush and dough, and then I let it pass me by. Smashing, doing 55, it was live. Live every day I'm live. Cause I just try to keep it real. I try to keep it true. I do what I do. Everybody know it's true. Growers love who? Blowing on that truth.
smooth. Leave the bullshit alone. Blowing on that bomb. Rose love, y'all.